This quick video answers the question how to buy shares of Borregaard ASA and gives a concise walkthrough of the company, a Norwegian biorefinery producing specialty cellulose, lignin, and bio-based materials. Borregaard trades on Euronext under the ticker BRG.OL, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy BRG.OL, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker BRG.OL to locate Borregaard ASA. Confirm the listing matches Euronext so you open the correct stock page. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to understand recent moves and basic facts. Make sure the exchange reads Euronext and the ticker is BRG.OL to confirm this is the right security. Click the trade or buy button to open the order form, enter the investment amount, and select any order type you need. Then review the total and fees. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, the platform may schedule the order, and if you do not have enough funds, it will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in the portfolio on eToro. Check the description for the eToro link to start. https://med.etoro.com/b19645_A127973_T. Click _investing_step_by_step_youtube.aspx